Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to save or export an image in GIMP. First off, navigate to File menu in the upper corner. Instead of using Save or Save As, select Export or Export As. Choose the location where you want to save the exported image. I'm going with desktop. Look for the option to select the image format type. Click on the drop-down menu next to Select File Type. Choose desired image format, such as PNG, JPEG. Optionally, you may configure specific settings related to chosen image format. Click the Export button to save image in the selected format. Confirm the export settings and save location. Now, open the exported image file to ensure it's saved correctly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.